75 Igbos willingly drowned themselves intentionally in the year 1803 in Dunbar Creek. And here is the story. They were deceived into a slave ship. They were not bought or paid for. They were shown incentives, and these white slave traders told them that if they go on a trip back to their country with them, they are going to come back to their family with a lot of incentives and treasures. Because of the hustling spirit of the Igbos, a lot of them volunteered to go on this trip with the whites. These were the people of Omambala in the now Anambra State. They were all decoyed into a slave ship. Unknowingly to them, they just embarked on a journey of no return. As the ship navigated through the ocean, these innocent people were all happy that at least when they get there and get these incentives and treasures, they are going to